In this video, I will show you step by step how you can trade directly from the cTrader app. Now, this is a very simple thing to do. So the first thing we need to do is open up cTrader, and then you want to choose the asset or the currency pair that you want to trade. So for example, if I want to trade GBP USD, I'm going to click on this. And then personally, I find it easiest to just drag and drop my orders onto the chart. So to do this, you want to click on the little box on the chart there, next to where it says M15. This will then open up the chart in full view. So for example, right, this applies both for buy and sell orders. So if I want to place a buy order, what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to make sure that I've got the correct lot size. Now you can choose the lot size by figuring out your risk based on your account size and also the amount that you want to risk. So for example, if I want to do 0.5 lots, I would go to 0.5, click on done, and then you can double check that before you place any orders. Now, if I want to do a buy order, I can then go down to buy in the bottom right hand corner, and then I can drag and drop this onto my chart. So if I want to do a buy order from around here on the chart, right, I can drop it there. If you want to move it around, you can simply just drag and drop. And then once you drag and drop it where you want to put the buy order, you can then set your stop loss. So if I set my stop loss down there, for example, and then also you can set your take profit by dragging it up. Now, as you can see, my buy order has now been set. I can see how much I'm risking, how much I'm going to lose if I lose a trade, how much I'm going to win if I win the trade, how many pips in loss, how many pips in profit. So if I want to cancel this, all you simply to do is click on the order, and then you can go ahead and click on the X, and then it will then say yes, cancel. So if you click on yes, cancel, as you can see, that's now been removed. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can place orders on cTrader. Very, very simple, very easy. And that's how simple it is to use the cTrader app.